Hello guys, here we are at Burnyzz Speed Shop with another episode of Tech Talk. My name is Corey. Let's settle the debate. Carburetor versus EFI, old school versus modern tech. Carburetors mix fuel using a Venturi effect. Mechanical, simple, and classic. EFI, that's where computers and sensors come into play. Let's talk about the pros and cons of each. With fuel injection, air and fuel delivery is controlled by sensors and precision computers. They have to be set up like a carburetor, but you need a computer, a laptop, and someone to tune it. But once it's set, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Carburetors are a lot more simple. You're going to tune them with hand tools, a vacuum gauge, and feel, but they're easier to fix at the track. EFI wins in performance and drivability. Like this 66 Vet with an LS7. Cold starts, no problem. Altitude and temperature changes, the EFI will change it on the fly. But carburetors, like this 66 Vet with a 327 in it, they need manual adjustments to make those changes. But it's got that raw, nostalgic feel, and they're perfect for weekend cruisers. Now an EFI system is going to cost more up front, especially if you're converting an old ride. But if you want raw power, better efficiency, EFI is the way to go. Carburetors are a lot more budget friendly. If you're afraid of that wiring and all that extra stuff that comes along with EFI, stick with a carburetor. It's better for a budget build and perfect for the weekend cruiser. At the end of the day, it's about what you want. You want that classic feel, go with a carburetor. You want modern precision performance, go with EFI. It's your ride, it's your rules. Whether your ride is carburetor to fuel injected, here at Burnyzz, we'll take care of all of your automotive needs. Whether you want a full restoration, a repair, or just squeeze a little bit more power out of your car, we're here to help. Stop by and see us.